What's good with YouTube? It's your boy Shorty here, and I'm back at it with another video. Hey man, I done finally leveled up Maria. Hey, she's a demon. I've been loving her. The gameplay's been easy feeling. No cap, no cap. It make me feel like I can really walk through any gate. Hands can't stop me. Nobody can stop me. Hey man, I appreciate everybody for stopping by, showing your boy love, showing for the little support that I do have. Trust me, it means a lot to me. Just keep rocking with your boy, and I'm gonna continue to drop this content. I have a couple gameplays showcasing maxed out Maria. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and hit your boy on the back end. Peace.
Okay, I think I know where I am. Oh, finally. This is what I was looking for. Got one.
We got Connie. Open tool storage. I'm on the gate to the battery right now.
You okay? This is all my fault.
Look, I'm sorry. I don't much enjoy.
I opened it, but Cook is on me right now. I think he about to put a. Oh shit!
I can go this way.
Anybody seen Grandpa? I didn't pay attention earlier. Bet.
My boyfriend, honey. Sweetie, is that you?
Who the fuck got all these people chasing him?
You better not be messing with Grandpa. Gonna find yourself in a dinner bucket if you do.
I knew this would work.
Just listen. I wouldn't
Look,
have to do this.
you really over here on my nuts like that, dude? So what gate you don't have a lock on then? Generator right? Got that up. About to well. Guess they need each other. They need each other like that. That's cute. Where you at, Southern? Uh,
I should be able to come back. No rescue. The views are everywhere.
that's sweet talk, Grandpa.
This should stop the bleeding.
Anybody seen the basement exit, the fuse box?
I should see what that is.
I'm about to go for it because if they just hovering gates,
I can find a way out.
we ain't gonna be able to do shit. They just sitting on them bitches, unless we really hit gates at the same time. Hitchhiker is camping in the house. Alright, I got Hitchhiker attention. Hopefully he stay on me. I'm about to keep his stupid ass in this loop. He don't even know where the fuck I went. I'm going upstairs. It's my moment. Fucking bitch, cook. Oh my god, bro. I'm so tired of this shit. Niggas. Alright, he on me right now. Hands is on me right now. Hitchhiker is on me right now. Whole team is on me right now. I might be dead. I might have just bled out. Yeah, I just bled out. Whole fucking team keep getting on me. We got Sissy, Hitchy, and Big Boy. Gotcha. Alright.
It came from me.
Get my way. Sissy, Hitchhiker, and Hands. I ain't gonna cap. I'm out of here.
This is what I was looking for. I think this
I'm gonna go open up everything. I got you. I went generator last time. I might go slaughter this king. Go have some fun with Sissy in there real quick.
I need to hide.
What the motherfucker?
You may be big, but I can slash that throat.
My poor friends.
Let's get it.
What did I do?
I'm opening up sliding door right now. What the fuck? Who did that? Hell nah, nigga, I ain't even moved. That bitch alarmed. What the fuck? Oh, that's crazy.
Be careful.
Oh, that bitch is really making noise, bro. From a big range. Okay, hold on. I'm about to get two of these bitches. I'm gonna open up one of the back doors and open up the red door. Cause I know they about to come in this motherfucker.
Got one.
Unless they just didn't see the chicken, I'm gonna say. Who the fuck got stuck in the trap?
Please don't let it be that crazy ass girl. Not again.
Get me up there, man.
Ay, gracias a Dios.
I'm going through the oh lord. I'm doing battery back gate right now. Stop playing.
I got it.
His hands big ass. I'm about to go back inside. Fucking chicken ball, that bitch is talking.
Connie,
Bro, is that Sissy?
how did you get here?
Bitch, stop hitting me. Fuck is wrong with you, hoe? You so fucking dirty. Oh, dirty bitch, boy, I tell you. Dumbass, she usually gonna follow me. Look at her duck ass. Oh my god.
This is all my fault.
You can see the top of my head. Come on, bro. Relax, game. Thanks, huh? The good rings.
Oh, sugar. Does
You're a bitch, sister.
hurt?
Trash bitch, I'm coming back. Man, that stupid ass don't gonna put you. I'm dead. Hitchhike on me, I'm dead. Y'all dead. Y'all that much in cahoots? That's cool, that's cute. Yep. Whole everything on my ass. Everything. Whole team. That boy is really like chasing himself right now, like.
Going for now. Oh, God. This
Gotta be over that soon. Let me see. No.
Oh, God, thank you. I need this. I hope this is safe.
I ain't gonna make that shit, bro. I'm about to go to slaughter. Fuck it.
I can't let them die. I need to get us out. I can use that.
Well, they ain't know what about me. What the fuck? Yeah. Look at Hitchhiker. He just running. Appreciate y'all.
I can get through here. Oh, finally.
That wasn't me, so I was Leland, bro. That's Leland, bro. Alright, man. Alright. That's crazy. That's crazy, bro.
Go this way.
Oh shit. Look, I can't sweet talk your big dog. Are you over here, dude? On your side of the map. What are you doing? You ain't got no trap set. That's the crazy part about it all. Gang don't even have no trap set, but he on me. Look at Sissy. Oh my god. You serious, Sissy, son? Why the fuck the dog? You know what? You know what? You know fucking what, dude? You know what, dude? Nothing to say about this weak ass fucking game. I'm literally trying to spam the fucking door open, but the fucking shit is trying to make me collect blood or some shit. I don't know what's going on. Really just had these bitches take my no cell for no reason because of the game broke. Shit is crazy. I'm gonna go holler at him in a few. Hitchhiker the one that's trying hard, the other one's retarded. Yo, if we can get around Hitchhiker, we good. No way, bro. Come on.
I remember a way out. Come on. Think.
Please stay alive. Please stay alive. Yellow, what you doing, Yellow? Yeah, I had that one notch on it already. They didn't, because they was all up on my neck as soon as I got out of there. Hey, that's progress. That's progress.
Can use that.
I'm gonna speak to old man. Old man, I ain't gonna cap. I'm about to do it to your ass, bro. I'm about to talk that dirty to you. Leela taking them hoes.
What is that? This is all my fault.
This looks safe.
You're here because of me.
That dude is weird.
No way.
Sissy and Hitchhiker's on generator side right now.
I think they left.
I think they checked in generator side. They saw that you opened it.
They're gone for now. Leave me alone.
I fuck with you, old man, but you a bitch, boy. Right, somebody, that's that distraction. Now I'm going all the way to the back right of the map.
I know this place.
Nah.
I can find a way out.
Look at him, he way over here already, big ass.
Help me.
Hey, watch it, hide. We coming back that way,
I'm good. I'm good. Just stay calm.
Nah, Alright, hopefully he come chase me.
They're too close.
I'm watching you. Somebody coming over there to you.
Come back. They always do.
Alright, let's go.
Just go, obey.
Oh no, not. Oh, hey, run. Hitch right there. I'm gonna go handle Grandpa. Okay. Well, if you could, well.
Just make it to the road. I think there's a house nearby.
Good shit. Good shit. No. Damn.
Yes.
Look at this dude. You be trying so hard, little ugly fucking ass. What the fuck is Leland? Where is he? I haven't seen him all game.
Others around here ain't so understanding. I can help you.
Fuck off me, bitch. You weird. I love how Sissy, she just trying so hard. Loving it. Well on your dumb ass, bitch.
Alone.
Man, fuck no. Good shit, Leland. Good shit.
And to peter out soon, always happens.
I know this place. I can find a way out.
Man, this nigga need to wake up. What? These niggas are weird, dog. What the fuck are y'all? Oh my god, I'm dead. Fucking dead, son. I'm dead, dude. That shit lame. That is some lame shit. God. That's my moment. I gotta move. Wait, is this gate back even open? Oh fuck. Oh fuck, hold up. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh man. Nah, they got this bitch hard. This bitch hard as fuck.
Please,
We got that bitch,
help
man.
me. Please, no.
We got this. Come on, trust.
Wait, tú. I should see what that is. It's used. They're everywhere. This is all my fault. They're here because of me.
What the fuck Johnny doing? Don't.
Anna, I can't believe it. I'm so happy to see you.
What's a bet? Johnny and let the face still in the basement, so that's good.
They always do.
Look at this man getting points over here. Look.
Please, gotta help me.
What you doing down there? What you doing? Oh shit. I'm about to do a battery side right now.
They're gone for now.
I'm opening up the bridge right now. It's a battery. Cap. I do gates faster than you.
Gracias a Dios.
Get your ass back. Go through the bed. Oh wait, who that is? Oh, somebody behind you? Oh, that's Johnny. Say well, bro. Well.
This'll be simpler if you sit still.
You talking about my fucking picking skills?
I need to get us out.
Hell nah. Think about it. If I never slammed that gate out, I never came over here. I'm unlocking it right now, though. Nah.
I got it.
Look, yellow. Just to keep it real, I'm gonna unlock everything before I turn the battery off. All right.
Oh, finally. This is what I was looking for.
That's the escape right there. You better take it. You better get to the basement. You say you about to open it up. Leatherface coming over there. Leatherface coming. Everything on battery side open. I'm about to turn the battery off. What thing? Yeah, what thing? Ain't sudden selling. I'm about to head back into the map.
This might work.
Battery side open. Oh shit, hands coming, bro. Hands coming, bro. I'm about to get up out of there. Look at him. He running to go turn it off
my
with his
God.
weird ass.